Are you ready for the moving vlog?
Oh god.
Good morning everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kaylin. I am no longer a student at the University of Oxford. I have now finished my master's, and I am heading to Yale with this lovely fellow this week. And it is Saturday, so today is packing up day. I drove down to Orange County to pick up Liam yesterday, and it is 6:15 in the morning at the moment, and we are driving up to NorCal to my family's home, and then we are picking up the van and packing up. I also have to do a webinar today, so it's gonna be a busy one, but it's gonna be fun. I'm ready. Let's go. Alright, so we are on the road, and I was supposed to pick up, well, we were supposed to pick up the rental van at 10:30, but we were running a little bit behind. So I tried to call them to see if we could pick it up later, and I'm really glad I did, because they were saying that they were closing at noon, so I had to send my grandmother, who's a saint, to go pick it up. And unfortunately, they apparently gave up the van we were supposed to take, like the cargo van. So we will be taking a minivan and hoping to God that
We'll make it work.
I can fit all the stuff, all my stuff in it.
It's like Tetris.
I got a lot of stuff.
Goodwill.
So we are about an hour or so away from home, and then we'll kind of figure out what the plan is. And I have a presentation for my friend's nonprofit. I'm doing an undergraduate admissions masterclass. I put on makeup while we were driving, so I luckily don't have to worry about that. So that is the current situation. Not exactly what we were hoping.
We'll make it work, it's fine.
But it's all good. We'll figure it out. I just might have to not bring as much of my stuff. We'll figure it out. Yeah,
we can figure it out.
All right, everyone, so we are back home. Behind me is the pile of stuff that has to go into this minivan. So we've got quite a bit of space. It's gonna be a little cramped because we have to get all of this into there. So it's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but I'm gonna go ahead and start packing up the van, and then I have to go do the masterclass, film and edit a video, and then pack the rest of it. So that's the plan for the rest of the day, and we gotta go run a couple errands, but we've got the car, so let's get started. There you go. Big strong man.
Jesus.
Oh my god, give me a break. Charger for the picture.
It's so heavy.
Thumbs up. Oh, shut up. I've got far less muscles than you do. All right, so I finished my masterclass and we went to storage, and the back is full of my books. We'll see how much other stuff we can fit in, but I can't compromise on the book. I did leave one box, which I'm upset about leaving, but it's fine.
I mean, that's basically another box of clothes if you can get it.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. Jigsaw.
Tell me when you want my help.
Huh?
Tell me when you want my help.
I'm a strong, independent woman.
Okay.
Can you help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back home. We went to my dad's, dropped off my car, and now we have gone to Target to pick up some stuff, and now we're loading the car up.
What should I get?
Heavier stuff first. So that big box from...
This one?
Yeah, let's do that one first.
Oh God, I remember this box.
You can do it, honey.
You want to get out of? It's gonna be. What?
Wait, it's stuck. Okay.
I know.
Okay. Jigsaw. And this...
Okay, one
tape
done.
material.
Do you need this?
This is a process. Alright, so this is the progress we have made. There are still so many more boxes, but that's pretty much all we got. The final supper.
The final supper.
We'll say hello.
Hello. Hi.
Alright, so I'm allowing, or trying to get a clip exported off my computer before I unplug it. And we put it in the box, which you can't see. And we've got Liam, Ryan, my sister, all in attendance. And then we'll pack up and then see what tomorrow holds.
Sleep. Until 5 a.m. Hopefully.
4 a.m. Okay, so we got this box with the stand and chargers and things. Computer is packed away. Lamp. They're taking the excess candy. And then I need to somehow find room for this stuff. Alright everyone, we've now come to the end of the packing vlog. It is about 9 p.m. I think, and we are leaving bright and early at 4 a.m. I hope you guys enjoyed this one and that you are excited for the other episodes to come. I am really looking forward to getting on the road and starting our little adventure. I am feeling a little sad about leaving home, but I am excited. I'm also very tired, but we got everything that we could into the car. It's not everything. It's not exactly how we had planned. I wish that we had been able to get the cargo van, but that's what we're working with, so we're gonna make the best of it, and I'm gonna go ahead, sign off for the night, go to bed, get a good night's sleep before we hit the road tomorrow. So I hope you guys are excited for the next episode, so look forward to Tuesday, and by the time you guys are watching this, I will already be in New Haven, so check out my Instagram for just kind of daily updates, and stick around for the next vlog. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button if you aren't, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. We popped a tire.